with the salad to start. I think I'll use the romaine to start as a base. And then the roughly red leaf here, and a little of the vinaigrette on each salad. Generous sprinkling of these cherries, which have now fully marinated. It's simple and elegant at the same time. It's not too formal. This is the same pan that I cooked the trout in. And I'll just heat it up again and add just a couple more tablespoons of that butter. Get a lemon ready for garnish. Now that butter's ready, it smells nutty and it's taking on a brown color, but I'm glad I clarified it because there are no burnt milk solids in there. I'll warm up the leeks. And even if the leeks get a little crispy now, ooh, that's kind of a good thing. I'll add a lot of chopped flat leaf parsley, about half a cup. And the juice of a whole lemon. It's gonna sizzle. Give it a good shake. And now, almost done, add the croutons. Just toss them to coat. Right now, they're still very crunchy. By the time I plate the trout and get out back, they'll have softened up just a little bit and absorbed all that flavor. Oh yeah, the trout is ready. It is nice and light to have that salad and a piece of trout with the leeks and the croutons. That does look good, doesn't it? I'm glad I'm hungry.